Every year, millions of old shoes go to waste. But from these shoes, a new and useful product can be made.
People donate their old shoes to recycling centers, where their new journey begins. By large trucks to a recycling factory. Once the shoes arrive at the factory, inspection and processing begin.
First, the shoes are sorted into different categories. Each shoe is carefully inspected to ensure efficient recycling. The different parts of each shoe are separated so every material can be recycled properly. Specialized machines separate the shoes into rubber, foam, and fabric materials. These old shoes have now become valuable raw materials for new products. The recycled materials are safely stored for the next stage of production. The recycled materials are now fed in large industrial crushers. Filtering machines separate the particles into the correct sizes. All the recycled materials are blended together to create a mixture for manufacturing floor tile. Color pigments are added to give the tiles an attractive appearance.
Computer systems continuously monitor the mixture to ensure consistent quality.
The recycled material is carefully filled into specially designed tile molds. A hydraulic press applies immense pressure to shape the mixture into strong, durable tiles. The prepared compound is transferred to the next stage, where it will be shaped into tiles. Once formed, the fresh tiles are removed from the molds and sent to the next stage. The tiles are cooled to ensure they become fully stable and durable. The tile surfaces are polished to achieve a smooth and attractive finish. Precision machines cut the tiles into uniform sizes. The edges are carefully finished to ensure a high-quality final product. Once formed, the fresh tiles are removed from the molds and sent to the next stage. The tiles are cooled to ensure they become fully stable and durable. The tile surfaces are polished to achieve a smooth and attractive finish. The edges are carefully finished to ensure a high-quality final product. Advanced technology creates attractive designs and textures on the tiles.
Each tile is tested for strength to ensure consistent quality. The tiles are also tested for water resistance.
The finished tiles are carefully stacked for safe handling. Each package is scanned and recorded in the digital inventory system. Strong protective packaging keeps the tiles safe during transportation. The recycled floor tiles are now ready for distribution. The packaged tiles are loaded onto delivery trucks.
The tiles are transported to different destinations. The tiles are delivered to construction and installation sites.
The floor is carefully prepared before the tiles are installed. Old shoes are now becoming part of a beautiful new floor. What was once considered waste has now been transformed into a stylish and durable floor.